Hey, this is John Furman, National Sales Manager for Auto Excavations. I'd like to give you a brief tour of our new website, share a bit about what it can do for you as a dealer, and then invite you to take a full-blown demo at your convenience. First and foremost, I think, when you log into the system, it takes you right to your own personal back office. Now, this is a great area. This is where you can get a snapshot of everything that's going on in your dealership regarding your previous customers. For example, in the first box, System Status, it'll share with you who logged in, when they logged in last, how many customers are potential right now, new, used, so far this month, how many should we email, and so on and so forth. In the next box, the quotes, it tells how many customers in your database qualify for quotes. All right, how many we need to contact right now, how many of those actually lowered their payments, how many had higher quotes, how many are cash, lease quotes. The next box, the customer portal login, when you see the live demo, you'll see how important that is. But that's notification that customers used an auto excavation exclusive, whereby they can actually log into your inventory, change their mind, and get a full quote on any vehicle in your inventory. Our next box, your quotes by salesperson, is going to show you not only how many quotes are in each salesperson's box, but when was the last time your salesperson logged in. It'd be real hard for them to tell you this thing doesn't work when they hadn't logged in for like 30 days. All right, a couple of the other boxes we'll go into more detail on the demo, but the next series of boxes, the next three, are your result boxes. Those are current, last month, and lifetime results. This is where we show you the proof in the pudding. You'll be able to see a direct comparison between the deals we actually brought in for you and the deals that you're bringing in off the curb or down the street through your regular advertising. It's a great comparison to show whether or not your return on investment is even worthwhile. The last box on this page is your dealer setup. This is where we make all the quotes FTC compliant. We do it this way. Now, if we log in here, we'll see that we're going to enter in your dealership name and address. All the details of contact people, all your salespeople will be put in here so that they get their own customer emails. But on the dealer setup side, you'll see that we're going to put in your doc fee and plate transfer fee, your sales tax, whether or not we're going to use 100% of your dealer cash, whether the deal should be worked with a rate or rebate, or we want the system to decide and do whatever is best for the customer. What percentage of book value are you using on your trade-ins? What's the maximum payment increase you want to reach out for the customer? And again, on the demo, we explain that. All right, lease factors. Then we let you option off. Do you want your customers just to have access to used, new and used, and then daily leads to salespeople? And that's where we send the top 5 leads to your salespeople each and every single day. Below that, we allow you to set up your rate. All right, and that's new rate, used rate, and we also have a category for subprime. And on the demo, we explain how we determine those things. We also allow you to actually key in and set up gross profit for every new vehicle in your inventory. Once that's done, we click the Build Quote button. Now, the Build Quote button is an easy way to say that we're going to save every change that we've made. But the reason we actually do it to Build Quote is if you make a change in the system, we're going to re-quote all of your customers. But here's the best part. You're going to see exactly what we do with each of your customers. You can sort your quotes by all customer quotes, customers that we need to contact, customers that have improved quotes. That means that they got an email since the last time we emailed them and their payments actually went down. Used customers, lease customers, quotes by salespeople. How many customers have lower, higher, or cash difference payments? You can break down your quotes by model number. More importantly, if a customer comes into your used car lot looking for a trade that you don't have, you can go into your database and send an email to customers that own that vehicle and potentially trade them out of it, satisfy 2 customers at one time, and maybe even get a third trade in. The important thing is this. We operate this way, just like many of the other data mining companies, with your new vehicles. But Auto Excavations is the only data mining company on the planet that operates with your previous used customers as well. That does two things. One, it allows you to access 50% of your dealer business and increase profits on those vehicles because you can access those customers and we'll give them quotes. We also back it up with an optional hard copy mail so that customers that don't read their emails very often are going to get a hard copy in the mail once a month that tells them where they stand. Guys, this is demo month. Click the link in our newsletter, schedule your demo, let's get together, and I can promise you our dealers are seeing an average 20% increase in deliveries immediately. We can get you up and running within 5 days. That's right, 5 days, and you'll be selling more cars at higher gross more often. Have a great day.